What's up, everybody? Your boy Mush right here, giving y'all a update. Man, for this, let me see. Uh, I like the shirt. I like the shirt. Okay. All right, y'all. I should set this up, but it's raw and uncut, baby. But anyway, this is an update to the Wavelink, the new software, new up and date software for Wavelink. I did a video about a couple weeks ago about how to set this up and everything. And this is basically aimed towards everybody who uses a Stream Deck. As y'all know, as y'all can see up here, I set everything up. Everything was perfect. You know, yours don't have to be set up like mine's, but that's how mine is set up. And I use a 2 PC setup. So anybody, no. Kids, y'all, kids. And I'm not gonna retake that. My daughter was eating cereal, she dropped it on the floor, so I had to go and bowl, But anyway, I use a 2 PC setup. Sometimes I use a 3 PC setup. So anybody want to see how you can set this up with your streaming PC and your gaming PC, and if you got a 3 PC setup, how to set that up, I'm your man's, all right? I'm your man's. But the update is about the Wavelink. As you see right here, I got this right here, Stream Deck. So now, what I do is I control. Whoa. There we go. I control my Stream Deck, my Wavelink through my Stream Deck. As you can see right here above me, the new I got the dial Stream Deck, and I got the. Actually, I got all the Stream Decks, but I use the dial Stream Deck, the Stream Deck Plus. That's what I use. And if you see right here, you can see it's moving. I can turn the dials and everything. I can switch it. I can mute it. And, my first one is my game. Everything I hear off my gaming PC. My second one is my Discord. Everything I hear off Discord. The third one is my browse. Like, I want to play music or YouTube or so on and so on. That's what I use for that. And the last one is Spotify and every other app. Like, when I want to listen to music, or I want to check out a video, or I want to edit my video, I use that one. That's how I got that set up. And how you set this up, you just go to the Wavelink marketplace, you download it, and then it's gonna come in your Stream Deck Plus, just like all your other apps. And then what you do down here is is the dials. So you don't do the keys, you do the dials. And if you hit the dial you right click. I mean, you can right click it or double tap it. Why do I double tap this? And then I drag the channel level over 2 times. First time, I set that as my monitor, so that's why I hear my ear. Second time, I set it at Chapman's. That's what everybody else hear. And you gotta make sure you name them. Name them however you want. Why I name mine is my first one M game for monitor game, and the other one is C game for chat game. Make it short, simple, but you can name it however you want. Also, same with Discord. As you can see, I name it the same way. And I'll keep looking on this side because I have 4 monitors. So I have this one right here, my main monitor, and my other 2 monitors. So I have 4 monitors. So, I show y'all how that's up and whatever. But that's how I got that set up. And if y'all want to see that, I will show y'all that. Like, all I gotta do is turn my camera around like this, and I show you how. Because people be asking, why you be looking over or looking this way, looking up and down, blah 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 blah. I said because I'm the man, bitch. But see, there you go. See, got 4 monitors set up. Got my gaming PC, my streaming PC, my recording PC over there. I gonna use 2 keyboards, one for my recording, streaming, one for I'm gonna do a whole gaming setup. But yeah, that's how that is. You know what I'm saying? If anybody wondering. But back to this. So it's real simple and easy. I have not done it with the key. As you see, I did, got the other Stream Deck, but I have not done it with the key. So let me just test it out real quick. And SL. We just gonna open a new one right fast. So we just gonna put make a folder right here. like I said, I never did with this because I don't use it. So Wavelink 3 level gain, probably the same way. You're gonna drop that right there. We're gonna put that as for game and PC, and then we're gonna pour it together again, and then we're gonna put this for of course game and PC, and then we're gonna put this for chat. So I got that one for, and I got this one for monitor. So let me see how it works. We're gonna blow this up real quick. So I got down 45. I can mute it. All right, okay. Okay, if you push it down, as you see, I can mute it, right? So I know most people have the normal Stream Deck as the 32 key or virtual Stream Deck or the SL like I got, or in the mini or the Neo, you know? So I would guess level. I never said like this before. Okay, let's chat. We can set the level to 60. We can adjust it. Yeah. So I can, and if I copy, you always copy. I always copy and paste. So I can turn around and do it like this, right? I can set this level to 20, set that at 60, set that at 70, and set that to 100. And so it should automatically change. Let me see. On my dial. Oh, wait. That's for, no, that ain't it. Okay, y'all got me over here. Okay, out control. Let me see, out control. No, that's definitely not it. Wave control. Let me see. Bang. Oh, that's definitely not it. Mac out. Audio fat. I'm gonna figure it out. But right now, this is going towards the Stream Plus. All right, y'all, that's the Stream Plus. I'm gonna figure out for you guys. It ain't gonna take me about an hour, maybe. Man, it ain't gonna take me an hour because you can actually download a program. I mean, a profile will automatically do it for you. That's what they did with the old version of the Stream Wavelink. So it might be a profile that I actually can put in. And let me see plugins. So it might be a profile, but I'm gonna get this together. And if you want to see this video, just let me know, and I will actually, bang it out and make it out for you. But this is gonna be this was a little short contest just to let y'all know how this is set up. Y'all can check out my last video. My last video is showing y'all how to set this up. The link gonna be in the description, but you can always go back and check it out. And on that note, man, y'all have a good one. And as I always say, keep it gaming, baby. Yeah. That was corny as shit, wasn't it? I'm out.